Hi, welcome back to Find the Pick, and today we are going to tackle one of these two. They are both a Masterlock 30mm brass with a 5mm shackle. We're going to see if we can get ourselves in there. It's number 130D. I've had a lot of problems with a small entry point, getting both the pick in and the tension at the same time. Well, let's see if we can do it. Stay tuned. Let's see. So before we start with this Masterlock, I went to their website and I managed to find some interesting information for them. They have a link there. One is called buildyourlock.com, and on that website they say that Masterlock company continues to be the industry leader in portable security products by building on its already reputable quality and selection. Wow, big words. In 4 easy steps, the Build Your Lock tool allows you to select your desired padlock and tailor it to your specific application needs. With every modification, the padlock image and price conveniently adjusts. Yeah, conveniently. Nice one. Good Masterlock. Alright, let's have a look at this lock. Let's see if we can get it open. Let's see. I've been fighting with this lock for quite a while now, and sometimes I have success and sometimes I don't. Let's see what we can do. Put a bit of tension on there. Or what are we going to use to try and open this lock? Okay, we're going to use this. Oh, the lighting is terrible today. Sorry guys. Let's see if we can open this up for you guys. No, I don't think we're going to have success with this pick because I got shifted. Now, where's that? It's open. It's picked. Wow, that was I don't know, somewhere between amazing and absolute ingenious. I must say this is the second time I've actually made this video trying to pick this lock. The first time I lost this footage, and that's why I've had to retry, and the first time I tried I also couldn't pick it after several attempts, but today she's mine. Picked her. Masterlock. Stay tuned, more coming. Share the like out of this, like it, love it. Please leave comments below. I really do appreciate. Please offer me suggestions on how to improve. I'm really enjoying this lock picking, and I'm glad to be part of this new community, and I appreciate all the advice I get and all the compliments and praises. Thanks, it means a lot, and I'll carry on doing what I do. Stay tuned for my next attempt when I try and attempt this made in China. That's all we've got, made in China. Stay tuned.